Now, how do we treat a person? Now, there are two things. Let us take the case of malaria. In the case of malaria, what happens is there is fever on alternate days and the digestive system becomes weak. Alright, you can take a simple crocin and the fever will come down, or you can do hydro treatment, you can put ice cold water and the fever will come down, but then again you will get fever. Why? Because the infection was not treated. See, treating the symptoms is one thing and treating the cause is another. By symptomatic treatment, we can only get relief for some time, but it will not be total eradication. Total eradication can only be if we have attacked the cause, if the pathogen has been killed. So, in the line of treatment, we can say one line of treatment is symptomatic treatment, which deals with symptoms like, say, fever. If somebody has measles or smallpox or chicken pox and there is lot of burning sensation, irritation, you can put calamine, but it will not remove infection. And second is eradication of infection. Obviously, the second treatment is more powerful, it is more effective because the cause has been dealt with. Even in life, same thing happens. There are certain things that happen in our life and we feel, okay, if we just do this, everything will be fine. There is disharmony in the family, if we have more money, everything will be taken care of. But the actual reason may be something else. People do not match their views, or it could be the house is very small. So, just by earning money, how are you dealing with this situation? That is not the answer. You have to go deep and understand why this is happening. So, in this case also, unless the infection, the source of infection is dealt with, we cannot get rid of it. And still deeper, how is it being spread? For example, if you want to eradicate malaria, taking quinine is not enough. You will probably kill the plasmodia which are inside your body, but mosquitoes are still breeding all around you. They are still biting you. So, you will again fall prey. Your immunosystem is weak. So, you are again and again falling prey to the infections. So, not only we have to take care of our own self, but also for the community hygiene. That is why no stagnant water, no water in your coolers, and constant, you can say, spraying of pesticides to kill mosquitoes.